I think that all children have this deep sense of curiosity. They love solving puzzles, seeing patterns and making connections, and they just stop having a sense of wonder about the world because they convince themselves they're not good at something, or they develop these fears and insecurities. We believe that every child can learn math and love learning math, and that every teacher can be an effective teacher of mathematics. If we can change the debate, if we can make people realize that you don't have to be born with a gift to be good at math or any subject, we think it will have an incredible impact. So when kids see they're good at math, they think they're good at anything. And they start to ask you for harder and harder questions. They'll work, just for hours. You have to stop them because they're so excited about proving what they can do. I even stopped a fight once by telling the bully if he didn't apologize, he wouldn't get his bonus question in math, and he apologized.
Jump Math is a registered charity, but what makes it a social enterprise is the fact that we generate, last year, 60% of our revenue from sale of materials and professional development. That also allows us to impact investors, to be able to generate more capital to really, truly fulfill our potential. And where the revenue goes is toward research and development of program materials, printing and distribution of materials, actually doing professional development. And the other area is our National Book Fund and Reach tutoring funds, and both of them allow us to get the JUMP program to the people who need it most. Within 5 years, Jump Math can generate enough revenue from sales of our program materials to sustain that aspect of our operation. We've reached 1/3 children now. Our ambition is to reach over 3 million children a year within 5 years. I think it's important to know that Jump Math isn't just about math. We have what we call our ethos of ability. That's the notion that everyone, adult and child, has far more potential than we're realizing right now. What we want is for Jump Math to be a Kickstarter.
Teachers said that the kids were far more cooperative, engaged. They were nicer to each other because they were competing against the problem, not each other. They weren't being ranked constantly and put in these hierarchies, so they could just focus on the work and on the wonder and joy of doing well in a subject. It's really magical to see the difference.